Dedollarisation is a tendency where countries start reducing reliance on dollars as their medium of exchange. Now, DP Ruto of Kenya came out clearly telling African countries that they must stop relying on US dollars. But now, I'm here to tell you that that is an impossible thing. It will take a long way for us to de-dollarize. Of course, currency has been the greatest method of colonization of modern time, the biggest economic war against other countries. But for you to accept to kick away the dollar, you must consider a lot of things. First of all, the clothes you're wearing, most of them are coming from abroad. Now, what you produce and sell out and what you import, that one is what brings about balance of trade, BOP, and term of trade. For us to have favorable term of trade, that will dictate us to have a decision on our own currency. We need to start producing what the US is producing better than that. For example, Ruto, have you discovered how to make a GPS in the phone? Have you discovered an operating system like Android, like Mac from Apple? All these things are being imported from USA. Now, if we look at factors like machines, most of the things in the machine, like the internet itself, is typically owned by the United States. China and Russia tried to build it since 19th century up to now. They have not yet managed to do that. They still don't have it. US controls the internet. Now, going ahead, there are a lot of medicines which are still imported from USA. All these and a lot of other things that we import from USA makes them dictate that if you want to buy our goods, buy it in our currency. And this is why America does not worry about their own loan. America also have debt, but they don't worry about it, because if they want to sell their loan, to clear their loan is in their own currency. They will print the US dollar and pay off their loan. So, for us to start thinking about the dollarization, it takes a lot of hard work, not just words. And that word alone does not make you become African, Pan-Africanist. Thank you.